You're wiring a 12-volt linear actuator, but your position sensor outputs in millivolts, and the datasheet for your amplifier lists noise specs in microvolts. That's 3 different voltage scales in one project. And mixing them up means miscalculated thresholds, missed signals, or worse. This voltage unit converter eliminates that problem entirely. You type in any voltage value, select your source unit, and instantly see the equivalent in microvolts, millivolts, volts, kilovolts, and megavolts. All 5 conversions update in real time, no clicking, no waiting. The math behind it is simple but easy to mess up by hand. Every voltage unit is just a power of 10 multiple of the base volt. A microvolt is 10 to the negative 6 volts. A millivolt is 10 to the negative 3. A kilovolt is 10 to the third. To convert between any 2 units, you multiply your input by the source unit's factor, then divide by the target unit's factor. So 12 volts times 1 divided by 0.001 gives you 12,000 millivolts. The calculator handles that multiplication instantly across all 5 scales at once. Where does this actually matter? First, sensor signal conditioning. A load cell might output 2 millivolts per volt of excitation. You need that in microvolts to compare against your ADC's resolution. Second, actuator system design. You're specifying a power supply for a 12-volt actuator, but your industrial relay datasheet rates coil voltage in kilovolts for isolation specs. Having every unit side by side prevents costly conversion errors. Third, high voltage safety analysis. If you're working with transformer secondaries or transmission level equipment, quickly converting between volts, kilovolts, and megavolts keeps your documentation consistent and your safety margins clear. Whether you're reading data sheets, sizing components, or documenting a design, this tool saves you the mental math and the risk of dropping a decimal place. Find the link in the description below to use this calculator and read the full engineering guide.